All right, good morning or good afternoon rather. I'm going to teach you a few concepts here. So let me just go ahead and share my screen. All right. So I'm putting up a PowerPoint, and the PowerPoint is just going to be dealing with adding and subtracting. We're looking at expressions, adding and subtracting. So here we're going to write the phrase as a verbal expression. We have this phrase, and we're going to write it as a verbal expression. A verbal expression simply means that it has letters, numbers, and operations. So we have 3 pieces added to X pieces in the art throw. So here we have 3 pieces. The word added to suggests addition. So that will be your answer, 3 plus X. And we have the sum of 4 and a number n. Sum suggests addition, so that will be n plus 4 plus n. Difference, the difference of 12 and a number x. So once again, you have to understand what these word actually mean. Difference, it means to subtract, so you're gonna have 12 minus x. Fewer than, what does it suggest? Addition or subtraction? In this case, it is dealing with subtraction. But be careful here. You would want to write 9 at the end, because fewer than means that you're subtracting 9 from whatsoever number there is. So you're going to put 9 at the end there. So write the phrase as a verbal expression. Quickly tell me what answer you'll have for this. What does the decrease suggest? Yes, the answer is 16 minus D. Total. What does total suggest? You have it 10 plus n. A number H increased by 15. That will be addition. And 10 subtract from a number M. Let's just go back there. So that would be M minus 10. 4 fewer than a number G. So allow G. Notice you're going to take away 4 from G. And 7 more than a number, we're going to add 7 to K. So 7 plus K. All right, just do another quick one here. Add to this video. I don't want to make it too long. So multiplying and dividing expression. So write the phrase as an expression. Let y represent the number. So we start with this phrase, product. Product suggests multiplication. So it's going to be, notice I'll write here, 5 times y or 5y. It means multiplication. 8 multiplied by a number, we're using y. So it's going to be 8y times 8 or 8y. The order is very important when you're writing it without the multiplication symbol. You're always going to put the number before the letter. Quotient suggests division. And look at how we write this. We write it as a fraction. Y subtract or divide by 6. That's what this means. Y divide by 6. Quotient means division. And 24 divided by the number of hours. We're using y again, so it's going to be 24 divided by y, written like a fraction. All right, now we're going to write some equations. A number x minus 5 equals 12. So this is how it looks. X minus 5, minus means subtraction, equals 12. So now we're not just looking at phrases, we're looking at writing equations. 15 times a number, which means 15y equals 75. Look at this problem quickly. 3 friends share the cost of a dinner equally. The total cost of the dinner is $27. Write a multiplication equation that you could use to find the amount A that each friend pays. So multiplication, I'm just going to quickly go through here. Is 3 times A equals 27 because the number of friends, which is 3, amount each pays, that's the letter A, equals 27, which is the total cost. So that would be your equation. So write the phrase of the expression. So here, 25 divided by the number of inches. And we're going back to look at some phrases. What would that be? In this case, it's 25 divided by x. Twice a number of people. Twice suggests multiplication, so it's going to be 2x. Write the sentence as an equation. Here, a number n plus 4 is 11, and your answer would be 4 plus n equals 11. The quotient of x and 96 is 8, and that would be your answer. P times 3 equals 36, and that will be your answer. And one final one, Q, 12 minus a number Q is 2. All right, and that will be all for this video. And I'll make a few more shortly.